Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix D3DX9_33.dll not found or missing on your computer. So the first tip that I suggest you to do here is to simply restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists. And if it's not the case and the problem is still persistent, then you just need to install the latest version of Microsoft DirectX. You just need to open up your browser, then you just need to go on Google and write DirectX end user runtime, and probably it will be the first link here that says runtime web installer. So what you need to do here is to click on it, press download, and then you will download setup here, and then you just need to install it. All right, so first here I accept agreement, then deselect this and hit next. And after it is installed, you just need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that I suggest you to do here, in a lot of times, this error occurs when you try to run the game. So just open up the client where you want to where you're getting error. So let's say for me is Among Us. So what I need to do here is to go to library, right click on the properties here, install files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your files is corrupted. And also you need to go to hit browse, open up exe file, right click on it, go to compatibility and make sure run the program in compatibility mode 4 is deselected, as well as full screen optimizations, right? And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, I highly advise you to just reinstall the game. You just need to go to settings. Then you need to go to apps, installed apps, and then find the game, uninstall and reinstall again, right? And if the problem still persists, another thing that you can do here is to open up CMD or command prompt as admin, right click, run as admin. And then here you just need to write CFC /scan now, one word. And what it does, simply it will check all your computer files, and when verification process will end, the computer itself will fix your corrupted files after the restart. And if it's not working as well, what you can do here is to update your operating system and GPU drivers. And to do so, operating system, you just need to go to settings, then Windows Update, press check for updates, and if there is an update, you need to download and install it, and then restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is a GeForce Experience app to that. I just need to go open up app, go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is a update on my GPU, I can easily install it here. I believe there is, if using AMD GPU, I believe there is AMD Radeon to do that, and always you can just go to device manager, and on device manager you can expand display adapters, right click on the GPU, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.